In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Hostinger webmail account and customize your profile by adding a personal touch with a profile picture. This straightforward process begins with logging into your Hostinger webmail account, where all your emails and communication needs are managed. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Hostinger webmail login page. Once there, you'll need to enter your designated email address, followed by your secure password you've set up. It's crucial to ensure your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. After inputting this information, simply click on the Login button to access your account. Now that you're logged in and have a view of your webmail dashboard, let's head over to the Settings. The Settings tab is typically found at the top or side menu of your dashboard. Look for an icon that resembles a cogwheel or gear, which universally denotes settings. Clicking on this will take you to a variety of options designed to help you customize and optimize your webmail experience. Among these options, you'll want to locate and click on Profile. This section is where you can make changes to your personal information as well as update your profile picture. In the Profile section, you'll see an option to upload a picture. It's often a straightforward link or button labeled Upload Picture, or something similar. Clicking on this will prompt a file selector window, allowing you to choose from the images stored on your computer. Before you upload, it's important to ensure that your chosen image is the appropriate size and file format, typically JPEG or PNG, which are standard for most platforms. A crisp, clear image is best, especially if it's visible to those you communicate with via email. Once you've selected your photo, confirm your selection, and it should automatically start uploading. Depending on your internet connection speed, this might take a few seconds. After a successful upload, your picture will appear linked to your profile. At this point, it's essential not to overlook the Save button. This ensures all the changes you've made, including the addition of your profile picture, are stored correctly. Without saving, any customization will not be preserved, and you might need to repeat the process. With everything saved, your new profile picture should now be set and viewable. Refresh the page or log out and back in to confirm that everything looks just the way you want it. Customizing your profile with a picture not only personalizes your account, but can also facilitate better communication, adding a friendly face to your email exchanges. If you encounter issues during this process, double check your internet connection and try uploading a different image. And that's it. Now you're equipped with all the know-how to log in and give your Hostinger webmail account a personalized touch with a profile picture.